Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Say hi to my fresh face. So I have a little makeup that I'm gonna do for you guys today, inspired by Tia tutorials on IG. Obviously I love her makeup and I'm gonna try it. It's browns. You just saw in the beginning what exactly I'm gonna be doing today. I usually have a hard time focusing these videos on Instagram, but it's a vibe. It's a vibe. Okay. I think I'm gonna put the video on the side. I've not yet decided. I need to download it from Instagram. It's complicated. I don't know, but just appreciate my advancement on makeup so far. I'm showing up with my eyebrows already done, sis, because this is not an eyebrow tutorial. This is a learn how to become a makeup guru tutorial. Okay. Anyways, jumping right into the video. So dumb me, I forgot to prime my eyelid. I was gonna start show the tutorial on my right eyelid, and I started painting it, and I'm like going in, I'm putting the black on there, it's not showing up. I'm putting the black in there, it's not showing up. I'm dipping in the pan, keep reapplying, it's not showing up, and then boom, I'm like, shit, I did not prime my eyelid. That's why the color is not showing up. Like, really, Bernice? And I'm sitting there like, okay, what do I do? I didn't prime it. So anyway, if you don't prime your eyelids, the color will not show up as vibrant as it could. So I just decided to prime the other side and apply the color, and you can see it showing up clearly if you compare the two. The other one is like, I don't know what color that is, but when you prime your eyelids, the color shows up. Don't be like me. Going in now with this brown color, I'm gonna use it to blend the harsh edges of the black or brown, dark brown color. I usually film these videos at night, and the settings that I use for my camera makes these colors show up differently. I don't want to get in too much into technicalities, but it does make the colors show up differently on camera with the light settings and everything. But anyway, dipping into that brown again, I'm gonna be blending out the edges, and then now it's time to cut the crease. See, this look is an easy look. Not, it's easy compared to the last video that I did. It's pretty is attainable. So I'm gonna be cutting my eyelid, cutting my crease with the flattest brush in my collection. I'm yet to invest in some brushes still, and the biggest thing, I need to get the flattest brush that I can get in the market, because with cutting eyelids, we're cutting the crease. I don't know why I want to cut my eyelid today. Like, I don't know why I want to slit my eyelid, but we're cutting the crease. You need the most flat brush to get the most straight line possible. And I keep revisiting the video to see if I'm on the same page with the girl, although our looks always end up looking a little different, obviously, because I can't copycat like 100%. I just do my best. I'm learning, blah blah blah. Anyway, cut my crease with my P. Louise base, obviously using that to cut it, trying to sharpen the line here, and I'm trying to get better at this, but I know that the bottom line is gonna be for me to get a more flat brush and a wider flat brush. I'm appreciating it. I think it turned out okay. I'm gonna go in with this orange, not orange, it's kind of like copper color brown, and I'm gonna put it right there where the black meets the white P. Louise base, and I'm gonna put it right there and attempt to blend it. Blending too, for me, is also a problem that I'm working on. Every time I'm doing my makeup, I try to put in more time into blending, because blending makes everything look seamless, and it doesn't look like you applied everything in several steps. So I'm gonna go in with this kind of white shade here, and I'm gonna apply in the inner corner and like the inner half of my eyes. So I'm just gonna pack it on with a flat brush again. And then there's a demarcation right there between the white and the copper brown, which I'm gonna be merging together with a golden color. I think I'm gonna show it right about Not now, but in a little bit. Anyway, I guess I just really like suck at this voice memo things. I was filming this with Matthew in the room. Oh, there we go. The brown gold that I'm gonna put right there in between the copper and the white so that it transitions seamlessly. Blend, blend, blend. If I show the whole video of me blending my looks, okay girl, okay, we see you. Anyway, if I show the whole video of me blending my face and my eyebrows and the things and the eyeshadows, literally this video will be like an hour, 2 hours long. But anyway, now moving on to the face, I'm gonna start with my e.l.f. facial oil. I'm gonna use that to prime my face, and that's what I'm gonna use to prime my face. Anyway, so rub that in until your face is nice and moisty and shiny and glowy. And once you do that, and then I'm gonna proceed with my foundation. So the foundation I'm actually loving right about now is coming up next in just a little bit. The foundation I really use right now is my Black Opal. I love Black Opal. Oh, I forgot, I'm gonna have to like clean up the look so that applying foundation is gonna be a little easy. That's why I just like to film my videos and just talk at the same time, just so that way whatever I want to say in the moment just happens in the moment. Just later on recording stuff myself, I don't know sharp. Anyways, let's keep going. Black Opal foundation, I'm gonna put it on, I'm gonna blend, blend, blend. That's all I'm doing. What are you guys doing during this quarantine time? I love the fact that I mean, regardless, I'm still gonna be home taking care of my baby. So I'm still gonna be doing what I'm doing right now. I still have to go to work, being that I'm in healthcare. So really, I'm not in quarantine, just, you know, because of my line of work. So my life has really not changed at all. Thank God, because there are other people who cannot go to work and they're like depend on their paychecks and stuff. So I really am grateful. So anyway, going in with my Juvia's Place. I hope you guys saw the LA Girl Pro Concealer that I used to put under my eye. And then I used Juvia's Place to contour on the sides. Going in with my Revolution Banana Powder. And I'm going to use that to put under my eyes. I'm not really like baking per se. I'm putting quite an amount of the powder. But I'm not going to let it sit there for long. I guess it's like a mild baking. But yeah. So some kind of mild baking. So I'm going to apply that on there, and then I'm just going to sit for like 2 seconds, and I'm going to wipe it off with my big fluffy brush. Anyway, so like I'm saying, I still have to go to work and stuff. So there is that with my life. But if you're not going to work, it's a good time to binge watch my Becoming a Makeup Guru series. Okay, this is my 3rd video in the series, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, I think now is a good time to do that, just because I'm coming through with these videos, honey, every Sunday. Okay, it might be later in the day, in the morning, in the evening. It's gonna be on Sunday. Consistency is my goal this 2020. I don't care what coronavirus wants to do. I'm consistent this year. I'm gonna keep with my consistency this year. Okay. So anyway, I'm gonna go in with my contouring brush, try to like contour the side of my nose and stuff like that. Trying to get a thumbnail, but we'll see which one I use for my thumbnail. Anyways, going in with this big fluffy brush, I'm gonna fluff off this baking powder, Revolution Banana Powder from my face. Definitely grooving there. I'm gonna go in with that dark shade under my eyes. I'm gonna try to like marry the whole look together, just so the under eyes don't look like they're not part of the face. And then on the outer half, I'm gonna do with the black, with the darker color. And then on the inner half, I'm gonna go in with that white shade that I used on the top of the lid. I'm gonna go in with that white shade on the inner half, and that's what I'm gonna do with it. So I started watching this girl. She's this Nigerian girl, lives in Canada. She's in school. Her name is Jito. Oh my god, the funniest girl on the planet. She has the best videos, the best motivational videos. She is so funny. Oh my gosh. Like, she'll literally do a makeup tutorial and you think you're watching a comedy show. And she's so good at makeup too, which is just like, what? Anyway, I'm always on YouTube, always trying to look for new talent, new people to watch because it can get redundant. But anyway, that's the end of this look. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know in the comments what I could have added or subtracted to make it look closer to the original look. And that's about it. Goodbye.
Baby, this a yash shit up. If you agree, mama laton. Party 2 at the party 1. Party 2 like the pan 1. I go fit to change your catwalk and change your life joy. Every day not to enjoy. Open and close like a laptop. Money goes, it all. Money goes.